Hello everybody, Samuel back again. I'm back with a brand new retail football break. I got 2 blaster boxes of 2019 Panini Prestige. Each box comes with 8 packs, 8 cards each, so we're looking at 64 total cards. And as you can see, 1 autograph or mem card per box. It's always an early release. Don't really like Prestige a whole much, but you know, early in the year you can't be too picky. So let's check it out. And it says also look exclusive blue rookies in these. So let's go ahead and open up Blaster 1. They also have hanger packs, hanger boxes, and then they have a premium box which comes with 2 hits, I believe, 1 auto, 1 mem card. I did not see any of those. Maybe I'll pick one up down the road if I like the design this year. Looks like it's a 300 card set, 200 vets and 100 rookies. So pretty big checklist. Nice. Alright, Blaster 1, Pack 1. Excited to open up some 19 football. It has been much, but now that a bunch of it's releasing all at once. I think Donruss is coming in this week too, so hopefully get a couple blasters of that. Alright, there it is. Pretty similar design the last few years. Not much difference. Alright, Jordan, Geis. Odell Beckham on the Browns uni. Terry. Anthony Miller. Scatling. First insert, Powerhouse, Melvin Gordon. Oh, purple color there, kind of nice. And the first rookie, nice, for my Bengals, picked up a nice quarterback here, hopefully. Ryan Finley. I think that's the first one of his base cards I've picked up, so pretty happy with that one. Pack 1, pretty good pack 1. This feels, I don't know, might be the hit in this one. Nope. I got Marlon Mack, Jordan Reed, Hines. We got a foil extra points, blue extra point, Leonard Williams with the Jets. Not bad with the foil on it. Second rookie is Samuel from the 49ers. What do you guys think of the rookie right in the middle there? It's kind of different. I don't know. Maybe I didn't notice it last year. And Kids Reporter code. Alright, so it pretty much looks like you can get 1 rookie per pack base one. So looking at 8 rookies per blaster probably. Some parallels. Got Thomas, AJ Green. There's my guy. Rising Stars, Smith. Pretty cool. What do you guys think of that? Insert a little starburst, or what do you want to call that? Another Bengals, nice. Javon Williams, rookie from my Bengals. Second Bengal rookie. Awesome. We got Robinson, Edwards, Johnson, Smith-Schuster, Justin Houston, Derek Carr, and the second Powerhouse. And this one is an extra point, maybe blue one. Nick Chubb. Yeah, extra point Powerhouse. That even looks better. Look at that. Pretty cool. Faint for the Broncos Kids Report code. Yeah, I like the insert. Extra points, pretty nice. Andrews, Stafford, Gurley, Dean, Bright, and not a rookie, but a vet jersey, Melvin Gordon. Got an insert, now I got a jersey card. Stars of the NFL. So I wonder what kind of percentage of rookie to vet there's going to be in these. Pretty happy with that one, though. And we got, oh, nice, AJ Green human highlight reel. Very cool. Add that one to the PC. It's been a great PC box. And Baker, rookie for the Giants. I got two Bengal rookies and the AJ Green base and the AJ Green insert. So pretty cool. Alright, Fitzpatrick, Michelle, Drake, Donald, Mack, Wagner. Got old school insert, Brett Favre. And the rookie, Scarlett. Rookie for the Panthers. And then there's a Kids Reporter code. Alright, still 2 more packs. I got a lot of cool cards already. I'm pretty happy so far, I guess. Blake Martinez, James Conner, Rudolph, Von Miller. We got here Banner Season AP 2019. Say, and a 2012 run that won't be forgotten. Cool. And Holyfield rookie. 100 rookies, so it's going to be pretty hard to hit. Rather hard to hit top guys in there. Le'Veon Bell and the Jets. It looks kind of weird. Sure, you know, of course that's Photoshop. Olsen, Brown. You got Diggs, Baker Mayfield, second-year card. It's going to be strange seeing his second-year stuff now. Campbell, and my third extra points, Anthony Hitchens. And last rookie, Caleb Wilson for the Cardinals. Alright, pretty fun blaster one. Let's see if we can get an auto out of blaster 2. Alright, pack 1 blaster 2. Oh, we got the hit already. We got Lynn Barkley, second year card again. Harrison Smith, and it's another vet, Michael Gallup, Gridiron Heritage. Alright, 2 vet jerseys in the break. See if we can get a good extra point rookie out of the rest. Good inserts maybe. Harry rookie for the Patriots, and Todd Gurley, Prestigious Pros. Suggs, Kittle, Adams, Wolf, Woods, Washington, Blue Chip Recruits, Josh Allen, the other Josh Allen, UK, Yasin for the Colts. First Blue Chipper, Lewis, Zay Jones, David Johnson, AP, Kerrigan, Powerhouse, Barkley, and Abram, rookie for the Raiders. Nice. Alright. Looking for those extra points. Landry, Freeman, Owen, Sean Watson, Rosen, the Dolphins uni, Whitehead, Denzel Ward, and Trenton Cannon for the Jets. Man, I'm hitting some Jets extra points here. And the rookie Love, rookie for the Giants. Alright, 4 more packs. Hopefully there's a chance to get a numbered insert, a numbered parallel or something like that, but I don't think they've been doing that the last couple years. Out of blasters, Devin Cook, Rising Star, Juju Smith-Schuster, and Sternberger. Alright, 3 more packs. Butler, Vander Itch, Brown, Robinson, Gordon, Zay Jones, extra points, and Anthony Johnson. Kids reporter code. Hayward, Rivers, Garoppolo, Nick Chubb, Carson, Human Highlight Reel. I don't know, Human Highlight Reel. Patrick Mahomes, and Gaskin. Alright, last pack. Jackson, Higbee, Henry, Plastic, White, Baldwin, Hitchens, Prestigious Pros, Keenan Allen. Been a Charger box too, hasn't it? Extra point, Keenan Allen, and Hardman Jr. for the Chiefs. Alright, let me put stuff together and do a quick recap of the break. Alright, let's do a quick recap. Going to go through the inserts. There's I hit 8 different inserts, including the the rookie blue chip. So that's pretty good variety there. I give them credit for that. I get 2 of these highlight reels, Mahomes and AJ Green. Rising Stars, I got 2 of those, Schuster and Smith. 1 old school, Brett Favre. 1 prestigious pro, Todd Gurley. I like this one, I think it's pretty nice. Banner Season, Peterson. Probably my favorite one, I don't know. These powerhouses, Barkley and Gordon. And ended up with 6 blue extra points, so basically 3 per blaster. And I got 2 insert extra points, Chubb and Allen. That look pretty nice with the foil. And then 4 vets did not hit a rookie extra point. Oh well. 2 Jets there. 1 rookie insert, blue chip recruits, Josh Allen. And I did end up with 16 base rookies, so you basically get 1 per pack. So 8 per blaster. None of the huge guys. Really happy with that Finley. And the 2 hits, 2 vet jerseys. Be interesting to see a little ratio of rookies and autographs, but not sure if I'll open up any more blasters. I'll probably try a hanger box. Maybe I'll put it around my random pack breaks. And yeah, I'll have to check out the premium box. I think they're $40 for the 2 hits, but I'll have to see how those go too. But might be a better way to go when you guarantee to autograph that way. But pretty excited to see 2019 products again. So there's 2019 Prestige, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.